I read a quote this morning that there's only one bad workout, and that is the workout that did not happen. So otherwise, there is no workout as bad as just doing nothing. So today, I'm honored and thrilled to welcome you back at FitCraft 3.0. And the first half was absolutely insightful and amazing because we talked about training, nutrition, and such amazing topics. Tell me which of the session was your personal favorite? Sucheta ma'am, kya baat hai? You know what? Unless you make the trainers get up and do some exercise, I think the training is not worth. And Sucheta genuinely did it, going to the root cause of trauma response and how we are always on survival mode, and taught us very well how you can trace the problem and get people out of the survival mode to retain energy. So on that note, can we have some applauses in the house for the second half, because we are going to have amazing presentations, sessions coming forward, and thank you so much for being a great audience. Can we get some applauses for all the wonderful trainers in the house? Perfect. Let's kickstart with the next session, and that is once again a very impactful and insightful session. I'm sure many of you must have seen the speaker at the agenda, and that is one of the pioneers of India's sports nutrition industry. How many of you are into sports? I would like to know that as well. I mean, other than training, other than fitness and gym. That's nice. Okay, so he has been into India's sports nutrition industry. With over 20 years of experience, he has played a key role in shaping category, first scaling Optimum Nutrition into leading a brand in India, and later building New Life Stores, one of the country's largest sport nutrition retail networks. Today, fitness enthusiast, strength trainer, over 30 years of experience, he strongly believes in the philosophy of practicing what you preach. So can we all have a huge round of applause and welcome Samit Gupta on stage. As rightly mentioned, laws of recovery play a key pivotal role, and as well as recovery in general is a very important part of fitness. Thank you so much for covering this segment in such an elaborated manner. So we have talked about recovery, we have talked about energy flow and how energy really matters and how you can release the stress in multiple sessions that we have had. And now we are moving towards another important topic, and that includes result readiness. So our next speaker brings over 2 decades of expertise in diagnostic, medicine and laboratory sciences, and she is MD from AIIMS New Delhi and is leading expert in laboratory operations, molecular diagnostics, quality assurance, and evidence-based healthcare. She currently leads the clinic catalog at team of Tata 1mg, and she has made significant contribution to the medical research, scientific literature, and healthcare communication. We are delighted to have her here with us today. Please welcome Dr. Swati Gupta. So ladies and gentlemen, now we are welcoming Mustafa Ahmed on stage. Come on everyone!
Look who's back like they never left. They see a gangster.
Hello Mustafa, they have been eagerly waiting for you. I think we need more love, come on! Amazing, amazing. First, a very warm welcome. And how does it feel to have a hall full of trainers and itni sari, expectations and to hear from you? How has been your journey and what would you like to guide them? Sorry, last two. Final two. The way you have thanked them, having an inspiration, an idol like you, I'm sure they all are truly going to make a mark in this fitness segment as well, and in many more hobbies which they have, I'm sure. Okay, so let's quickly move towards the gratification. Anytime Fitness के साथ बहुत सारे हमारे trainers हैं जो 5 से 10 साल से जुड़े हुए हैं, and we will have you all gratified by your wonderful and our guest Mustafa. So खड़कती तालियां होनी चाहिए जैसे जैसे हम लोग welcome करेंगे हमारे certification के लिए. Let's welcome trainer Gaurav Malhotra first. Can we have a huge round of applause for him? Can we have Nishant Sonkar? Give it up for fitness! Fitness, life, happiness, well-being. Thank you so much, Mustafa. Thank you so much, Anytime Fitness, for this memorable fitness journey. जब कोई ऐसा inspirational person आ जाता है तो लगता है यार दिन बन गया. मतलब you know, if he can do it, we can also possibly do it. And I'm 210% sure, not just one person, but more than one person will be standing here achieving something or the other in another field, and I can 200% guarantee that you will achieve bigger heights. बस उसके लिए देखना ही होगा कि किसका सितारा और किसकी मेहनत चमकती है अगले 10 साल में. I wish all the very best to all of you.